Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can lock or unlock pages and other contents of your Teamspace on Notion, like for example, databases, galleries, creative projects, and so on and so forth, but mainly pages. So let us show you how to do it, and then let's dive into it right away. So head over to Notion, access your workspace in the top left corner. Let me go with this one here for the sake of this tutorial. After that, go through your list of Teamspaces here, click into your Teamspace to expand it, and here you will see a list of all of your creative projects associated to your Teamspace, like for example, databases, pages, to-do lists, and so on and so forth. So you can do that with any of these contents you like, guys. Let me go with that test page here for demonstration purposes. So let's click into it to access it. And after that, simply click into these three dots in the top right and select lock page here. Simply toggle it on here to the right, and that is going to lock the given page. So if I click into that, page here, I won't be able to do anything with this. I can't type anything, I can write anything, I can't move that image, none of that. I can view it, of course, but I can't edit or customize it as long as it is locked. So to unlock the page, guys, simply again click into these three dots and untoggle lock page here, and there you go. Now you can move these elements, customize them, edit them, add new blocks, text, and so on and so forth to your page. So that's how you lock or unlock pages in Notion. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.